Mga gwapa-gwapo nga tanaw sa akong YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Karon, maatin mi og kasal or wedding. This is the place, guys, Grendel. So they're open for available for her wedding, birthdays, Christmas parties, and inquiry. So they offer a lot here. So that's a beautiful place, Grendel. Really good for the party. Beautiful place. It's the view inside. Kung kaya hindi na ako nakapagkuha ng video dahil sa policy nila. So hello everyone. So anak ko karon sa Grendel's coffee or the meal. So nag-attend me of renewing vows sa friends. So I'm gonna show you the place. Very windy, sunny pero windy siya. Place, guys, ang daming greens, so very big place. So it's good for party, wedding, birthday. So there's a lot of people there too, and that's the building sa kasal wedding. And there's the table outside too. And that's the, let's go to the toilet. And that's their toilet there. Beautiful place, guys. So yan, car park, and yeah, beautiful flowers. Oh, and that's the title, that's the shop, Lolly shop. What's open now? Decor. It's a beautiful place, and there's a nice car for the groom and the bride. So let's go up some here. Very pretty, guys. Very beautiful place. So windy. It's like, so this is the place, guys. It's very pretty. Nindot kayo jud siya ang lugar. So it's good for a wedding, for birthday party. So it's very windy. Perting tugnawa jud. So this is the beautiful place, guys. So windy, sobrang lamig talaga. Lakaw na ang banana, una kaya mag-video ko ako dere, bahala mo diha, tanaw lang mo nga nag-video ko.
Did you press it?
Yeah. Welcome to
Did you press it already?
Yes.
The meal.
The meal. So here, turn around. I'm sure I want that. This is the place. Is this good for wedding? What else? Lunch. Dinner. Another open today in the morning. So.
Any special times?
Special like a time. Okay.
Okay.
So mo ni ang lugar, guys. So old style jud siya, murag dugan na siya pero nindot kaayo. So dire lang ko maghuwat kay busy akong bana dito, so di ko ka-relate nila. So dire na lang ko maghuwat og ako, maglingkod-lingkod na lang ko dire sa the plane.
It's an old-fashioned shaped collectible old car from the 1930s.
Old girl, what type of car is that? Chev. So we need to go home now kasi karating tugnawa niya, majuting kahala. There's an umbrella. historic Gin Yandy Mill. Coffee antique slowly. So there you go.
I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day. I know you're crying for your name. We'll fall in love with a broken smile. That's precious to stay alive. She tap on my window, knock on my door. I want to make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. Doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise. It moves us along. Yeah, my heart is full and my door's always open.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ito ang invitation namin sa mga friends wedding. That's our renewal vows for 25 years together. Wow, it's long years of marriage. Grabe, true love talaga. Kasi nirenew niya na yung wedding niya. So, wala talaga akong video sa sulod jud sa venue kasi that's the part of their policy. No videos and photos inside to follow the tungod sa pandemic, guys. So there's a lot of changes sa mga occasions, weddings, party like that. So may batas sa classroom ko, so dapat talagang sundin ang batas sa classroom. So yun. Pero ang ganda-ganda talaga ng lugar. It's perfect for wedding, birthday, Father's Day celebration, anniversary. So, doon sa The Mill, Greenwell Point Road, Pyre, yun ang area. So, ang ganda-ganda. Kung gusto niyo pumunta sa taga dito, punta na kayo doon. Ang ganda ng lugar. So, yan. Sa classroom may batas. Pag bawal lumabas, bawal lumabas. So, yan guys. Sa classroom may batas talaga. So, walang video. At saka din, umuwi kami ng maaga din. Mga 1 o'clock lang. Kasi may pasok kaming dalawa ng asawa ko. Kaya, no video, no picture at all. So, but it's okay kasi ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung view sa labas talaga. Ang ganda. Promise. Magustuhan nyo. So, please watch my YouTube channel. Thank you.